So what's good, TMG fam? It's your boy L, and I'm back with another reaction. How y'all feel? Welcome back to the channel. Salute. Now listen, you know what hour it is, right? You know what time it is. So make sure the doors locked. Make sure the windows locked. Curtains closed. The lights dim. Get your setup, whatever you need, and get ready for a good video, all right? So the next video we checking out is the 13 scariest mysteries caught on Dashcam, drones, and CCTV. I meant to tell y'all, man, I got me a dash cam finally. You know what I mean? After months, I know. After I got one, I got a cam. You know what I mean? So now I just got to remember to remind myself to make sure it's on. You know what I mean? That's me. The one time I need it, I be done hit it and it's unplugged or something like that. So I just got to pay attention to that. But anyway, we're going to check this video out. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the subscribe button. Join the fam real quick. Moment of silence for these haters, man. That's enough. Now run the lights up. Let's get to the video.
For whatever reason, most unsolved mysteries always seem to be captured on either dashcam, CCTV systems, or drones. With this in mind, here are 13 of the most unsolvable situations I could analyze. Number 13. It's late at night and YouTuber Molly the Leg is the only car on the road. When he sees something that doesn't make sense, follow the curvature of the road and look in the distance to see it.
Was that?
What?
I saw somebody on a bicycle or something like that.
Up ahead, Molly the Leg sees a bright light cross the road and then suddenly disappear. What's also strange is how the street lights start flickering when this happens. He has no idea what the moving light was. It couldn't have been a car because there was nowhere for vehicles to go but straight. Molly the Leg even used Google Maps to verify this, so I'm at a complete loss. Number 12. A driver in Singapore thinks they have a clear lane ahead when something to the right startles them badly enough to make them lay on their horn.
Why did I see it better than in this video? We just saw it in Slap Pam's video. This same thing, but I saw it better in this video to the point where it kind of made me lean back a little bit and was like,
the pale outline of a woman.
Yes, you can see that real clear now. Like, yes, that looks just like a woman either about to take a leap into traffic. Like, she on some, I'm done, I'm tired, let's just finish it. And she about to jump into traffic.
Woman appears to be perfectly balanced on the center divider. While this could just be a person trying to cross a busy road, the driver is convinced that they've seen a ghost. Even if this is a person and not a spirit, I really don't know why they would choose to cross this section.
That right there is one of them things that'll cause like a 16 car pileup. Like, what are you doing out here? Why? Why are you standing on the median? Why? What is that? It's not a Jersey barrier, is it? Whatever you standing on, I don't know. Whatever it is, why are you standing on it? In the median, just like that. Yeah.
Of the road, aside from heavy traffic, there's really nothing but a tall hill on the other side and no discernible buildings of any kind.
Mental, just mental. What is wrong with your mental?
Number 11. David Whitehurst is piloting his drone over the neighborhood when all of a sudden a much smaller white object nearly collides with him at a far greater rate of speed. David doesn't know what this fast-moving object is, and honestly neither do I. Give me your best guess and let's solve this perplexing video together. Number 10. The Barnsley Antique Centre in England has long been the focus of paranormal haunting, as evidenced by this CCTV footage.
Yo, much respect to the kids for being like, nah, I'm out of here, fam. I don't care.
Not unusual for items to fly off the shelves all by themselves. And that's just the beginning. Strange phantasms appear to dance across the security monitors after hours, their blurry white presence barely detected by the camera. This old glass cabinet shattered to pieces for absolutely no reason. The event was captured on multiple angles and shows that nobody was near the antique piece of furniture when it happened. I think this could very well be a legitimate haunting. If you know how any of these events could be faked, then let me know.
Ghosts out here trying to get the kids in trouble, because we all as parents know we to blame the kids, right? Oh, so y'all breaking my... By the time we realized and checked the camera, it'd have been too late. Y'all already done something to the kids already.
Even if they could be faked, it still doesn't explain why a shopkeeper would regularly vandalize their own store. Number 9. A motorcyclist named Motor 2 Wrist is biking through India when he misses his turn and gets lost. Now it's threatening to rain and his bike's narrow high beams are his only source of light. Motor 2 Wrist...
He didn't slow down or nothing.
Wrist is already close to losing his composure when he sees something that pushes him completely over the edge.
Like a pregnant ghost.
Some stranger rushes at him from the side of the road.
Is that not looking like a pregnant figure? Or maybe I'm tripping.
Keep in mind that it's 10 at night and there's apparently no villages around for miles. The pedestrian would have to be out of their mind to travel down a dark road in bad weather without so much as a flashlight to guide their way. Moto to Wrist is positive that he's seen a ghost and quickly speeds off, though it might have been someone in distress. We'll never know what the situation was for sure, but I'd like to get your opinion nonetheless. Number 8.
I don't know, man. That looked like pregnant ghost, bro. That's all I'm saying. That's what it looked like to me.
This huge wall of security monitors shows that everything in this building is silent and still, except for a single sign going haywire. I've seen signs twisting around from the air conditioning before, but this looks a little different. The back and forth swaying seems very deliberate, almost as if an invisible force is hanging off of it. I don't have much more information about this video, aside from it taking place somewhere in Singapore. Let me know what you think of it. Number 7. This driver in Singapore is just listening to some music when the taxi in front of him has a car problem from out of this world. Some sort of sentient and aggressive mist enters through the window.
What is that flew in the car? Now, for all of us who are saying, oh, run out, get out and help him. What shot in his vehicle is what I'm saying. What was that? I need to call 911. Somebody need to get here. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to watch the vehicle till y'all get here, to the professionals, trained professionals get here. Because we all saw what that was. We don't know what it was.
This world.
And it's in there. That's not lightning.
Some sort of sentient and aggressive mist enters through the window and forces the taxi driver to pull over. You can see the inside of the cab light up a few times as some sort of paranormal altercation ensues. It could be CGI, but the video ends up...
Yeah, I'm definitely calling the police and the ambulance for him, but that came into his car with a vengeance. Like it knew him, like it had done something to him in high school, like it had beef with him some kind of way. I don't know. I don't need to get in between their beef, whatever they got going on, but fam do need some help. So I'm going to call, get you some help, and I'm going to wait right here and be watching. I'm going to watch. Because I don't know what that was.
Abruptly. So it looks like we won't know what really happened, or if everyone inside was okay or not. Number 6.
Sheesh.
This urban CCTV footage was taken at a pedestrian crosswalk in Mexico City. A young girl with black hair over her face materializes in front of a car and makes no attempt to move out of the way. Somehow the automobile is able to pass through her without causing any damage. This eerie incident was captured on multiple CCTV cameras, though I suppose this could be faked with some skillful editing. Number 5.
Yeah, it could be fake, or it's either fake or like how you have a death wish in the afterlife. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like how you in the afterlife, you're a ghost or paranormal being and trying to run in front of cars and stuff. What, you trying to die again? Like, explain yourself.
Though I suppose this could be faked with some skillful editing. Number 5. Cora MK2 is a serious motorcycle enthusiast with a YouTube channel detailing his many road adventures. One night he is biking across a normal looking bridge in Pasadena, California, when he sees something particularly unsettling. Be sure to watch the right side or you'll miss it. You might have missed it anyway, so here it is again.
This girl right here, she's just standing there. She's not walking, she's just standing there, and you can't really...
It's important to note that the replay was not edited. After I knew where to look, I was able to go back to the original footage and see her easily. Cora MK2 says that the girl was smiling, though the camera isn't able to pick up the details of her face. Apparently, so many people have taken their lives on this bridge that it's gotten to a point where...
I was hoping they didn't say this was that type of bridge, bro. Like, you know what I mean? And this look like, is it a one-way? Can't really...
Apparently, so many...
No, it's a 2-lane highway. So, yeah, like, maybe you can turn around and come back. Hopefully she's still there. Try to talk her down off of it. Get her some help. But I was hoping they didn't say that's what type of bridge it was, man.
Many people have taken their lives on this bridge that it's gotten to a point where they had to install fences as a deterrent. Perhaps this girl was either contemplating taking her life or was the spirit of someone who already has. Number 4.
Damn.
This drone is just getting some aerial footage of a sunny beach on a nice day when it accidentally catches an alleged monster lurking in the waters. Some kind of giant snake or worm appears to be...
See? And look at all these people out... Bro! Fam! Look at all these people out here in the water. Now, if it's true or if it's not true, we know it's possible. It can happen, right? Look, you got people on each side of it and it's just flowing right through them, deciding whether or not it wants to attack or go about its business. At this point, these people out here have not a clue. These people out here used to be me when I would go to the beach. I would try to be way out there, you know, just out there, seeing how far out you can go. Just reckless. Stuff probably swimming all around me, just like, wow, we can get them when we get ready. Look at this.
Just meters from nearby swimmers. Look here and you can even see a part of the creature's body emerge from the water and make a splash. It's a small detail that makes me think it could be real. I'm surprised that...
I hope that's fake. I hope that's fake. My gosh.
Nobody noticed the creature's large moving shadow beneath them. So maybe it's fake after all. Number 3. Here's a strange dashcam video from Malaysia that will leave you scratching your head. These motorists are on a dark road when they pass by a woman in a pink shirt once, and then again, a little farther up the road, and a third time, at which point they are noticeably alarmed and speed away, only to run straight into her a fourth and final time.
I mean, on that last one, you gotta run her over, bro. You gotta run her over. Oh, man, what do you do in that situation?
Wait.
Do you stop? She turn around, she look at you, she lock eyes, and then she just start coming for you. It's like a scene you know in the movies they gonna run it. They gonna sit there and they gonna get out and try to talk to her. You know, hello? Ma'am, are you okay? And then we all back here screaming like, fool, don't get out the car. Smart man, reverse, get up out of here.
Watch the full video and you'll see that they are not driving in a circle. Even if they were driving in a circle, there's no way they could have completed a full lap in the short time it takes for the woman to appear again. Perhaps what's most unsettling about this is how each time the woman's back is turned to them, never once seeing her face. Number 2. A YouTuber named Goodnote is exploring the Illinois countryside when he stumbles upon a secluded burial ground in the middle of nowhere. He instantly recognizes this place as the Witch's Circle, a nefarious hangout where certain people have...
What? What is the Witch's Circle? Either way, it don't sound positive. It don't sound like it's gonna win me some money. It don't sound like it's gonna, you know what I mean? No. I'm getting all weird vibes from this.
Been known to practice black magic and summon spirits. Goodnote breaks out his drone for a better look, but the wind seems to mysteriously pick up every time he tries to take flight. I personally don't see anything out of the ordinary here, but let me know if you do. Anyway, there's another video that he took on foot that I'm way more interested in. He shot this at the beginning of the visit. He's walking up to the entrance and says he got a really weird feeling. Then his phone's battery goes from 52% to 0 and suddenly shuts off. What's even weirder is how, no matter how hard he tries, he can't seem to upload this video onto any other mobile device. It plays perfectly fine on his phone and nothing else. The only way he was able to get it on YouTube was by filming the screen with another camera. I tried not to make assumptions without having enough evidence, but it's almost as if something really didn't want to be seen or shared with us on that gray, overcast day. Before we get to number 1, my name is Chill Life, follow if you've been video to find out the number 1 entry. Also follow me on Twitter, proven fact that Jatin, I upload every 2009, show number 1. This home surveillance footage from 2009 shows the Jameson family acting strangely on their property in Eufaula, Oklahoma, shortly before they disappeared.
Y'all remember this story? This was sad, man.
They can be seen making about 20 trips to and from their house without talking to each other at all. Some investigators even believe they were in a trance-like state. The Jamesons were not seen again for years, until hunters found their scattered remains in 2014. No one knows what happened to them, because their remains were too decomposed for forensic testing. The cause of their demise has never and probably will never be determined. So all that remains of their last days is this videotape. 24 hours is a long time to spend in.
Yeah, I remember that story, man. That was sad. I think they had children too, didn't they? Yeah, they took the children. All of them were, I think, found in that situation, man. But you could tell from watching the CCTV footage, they were trying to get away from something. You know what I mean? That wasn't a normal, let's get ready to go on vacation, let's pack the car together. No, it was like back and forth. You got this, you grab something, you got everything you need, you got this, you got that. If we ain't got this, we ain't taking it. I'm going in to get the last little bit of stuff. Let's go. It looked like, you know what I mean? They were moving at a pace to where they were trying to hurry up and get away from something. I don't know. That was pretty crazy. But it was a lot of pretty crazy clips in this video. The lady standing on the median. The paranormal being in the middle of traffic. The lady that they kept running into 3 or 4 times before they decided to hit reverse and get up out of there. Like, this one was really, really good. Shout outs to Chills for the clips, man. Y'all get at me in the comment section and let me know what you think, what you thought of some of these clips, all right? And stick around and stay tuned. You know I got more. I'm coming back. Till the next reaction, man, I'm gone. Peace.